Start with practice set 6.1. First example, factorize x square plus 9x plus 18. This is the quadratic trinomial. According to our rule, do the product of the first term and the last term. First term is x square, last term is 18. X square multiplied by 18 is equal to 18x square. This 18 has the number of factor 1 multiplied by 18, 2 multiplied by 9, 3 multiplied by 6. Choose proper factor such that sum of the factor has to come middle term. Middle term is plus 9x. If I will give the sign plus 6 plus 3 and if I will do the addition at that time plus 6x plus 3x is equal to plus 9x, and product of this factor has to come equal to the product of the first term and the last term. If this one is 18x square, this will also come 18x square. So if these factors will come correct, at that time what you have to do, you have to write middle term as plus 6x plus 3x. 6x plus 3x already, that will come already 9x. But you have to factorize this 9x as plus 6x plus 3x. Do the group of the first two term and the group of the last two term. You have to write first two term in product form, last two term in product form. Take out common from first two terms. Here x will come common from first two terms. So if x will come common, at that time x plus 6 you have to write in round bracket. Here from first two term 3 will come common. If 3 will come common, at that time whatever remaining thing you have to write in round bracket, x plus 6 you have to write in round bracket. If plus will come common, at that time sign will not change. Then for this step, this bracket has to come same, both the bracket has to come same, and these are coming same. So you have to take out x plus 6 common. At that time remaining thing x plus 3 you have to write in another bracket. From that you have to say that factors of the x square plus 9x plus 18 is equal to x plus 6 in one bracket and x plus 3 in another bracket. Everybody understand? Then you have to start with the next example. X square minus 10x plus 9. You have to factorize this quadratic trinomial. Rule is the same. Do the product of the first term and the last term. X square multiplied by 9 is equal to 9x square. This 9 has the number of factor. 9 multiplied by 1, 3 3s are 9. So this sum has to come the middle term. Middle term is minus 10x. If I will take this as minus 9 minus 1, at that time sum will come minus 10x. So I will take this as minus 9x minus 1x is equal to minus 10, and product has to come 9x square. This minus 9x multiplied by minus 1x is equal to, this one is coming same. So once these factors will come correct, at that time write this minus 10x as minus 9x and minus 1x. Then do the group of the first two term, group of the last two term. Write the first two term in product form, write the last two term in product form. From the first two term you have to take out something common. Here x will come common. So if whatever I circle that thing, I will take out common. At that time remaining thing you have to write in the round bracket. Here from the first two term, from the last two term you have to take out one common. This 9 you will write as 1 multiplied by 9. If I will take out one common, minus 1 common. If I will take minus 1 common, at that time if minus will come common, do change the sign of the last term. This plus become minus and minus become plus. This one is plus, that become minus, and 9 as it is you have to write. For this, at this step, this and this bracket has to come same. This one is coming same. You have to take out common this bracket. At that time x minus 1 you have to write in another bracket. Then so I will say that this x square minus 10x plus 9, x square minus 10x plus 9 is equal to x plus 9 in one bracket and x minus 1 in another bracket. These are the factors of this quadratic trinomial. I think you understand all these things. You have to write all these things in the notebook properly. Thank you.